The United States government prohibits the unlawful possession, transfer, or trafficking in firearms, and that's under 18 U.S.C. Section 922. And violations of this statute can lead to very severe criminal penalties. There are several legal defenses, and in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 potential defenses. The first defense that is commonly raised is a lack of knowledge. A key element of a 922 violation is that the defendant had the intent or the knowledge of his wrongdoing. For example, one of the things that is prohibited is a felon cannot be in possession of a firearm. However, if the defendant was unaware that they're actually in possession, that can serve as a defense. Billy Bob, who has a prior felony conviction, borrows his cousin's truck to go get some beer. He doesn't know that under the seat of the truck there's a firearm. He's stopped because the tag light's out or something like that. Well, he didn't have knowledge, and that may be something that's raised as a defense by his lawyer. A second area of defense is entrapment. Now, you have to understand that entrapment occurs when law enforcement induces a person to commit a crime that they would not have otherwise committed. In other words, the government sets the hook, puts the bait out there, and somebody who otherwise wouldn't have committed a crime is hooked. If the government agents persuade or pressure a defendant into violating Section 922, that can constitute entrapment. Now, in this kind of situation, the courts are going to evaluate whether or not the defendant was predisposed to commit the crime, or if the government's actions created a situation with an otherwise unlikely defendant. The third area that we see a lot, especially as our Supreme Court is kind of changing their views on things, is constitutional challenges. Defendants can argue that Section 922 violates their Second Amendment rights. Of course, this depends on the facts and circumstances of a given case, but a well-supported constitutional argument can serve as a defense in these kind of cases. We certainly hope that you're not charged with any kind of federal firearms violation. If you are and you'd like to talk to us, give us a call here at Siegel & Siegel. Our phone number's below. Look, if we can't help you, we'll refer you to somebody who can. If we can help you, of course, we will. I'm attorney Andy Siegel. Thank you for watching.